I'm Karina and I'm under the social media tag of Freebird Moto. I ride a Harley Davidson Sportster. It's an Iron A83, which I've had for about 18 months, but it's more or less completely stock, so I'm looking forward to doing some bits on it in the coming year. Freebird isn't me as a person. Freebird is a spirit. I want it to be something that inspires other women who ride, or even women that don't ride yet, so that we can all come together and support other causes that might benefit from us bringing some attention to it. I really want coffee shop talks to be about really meeting the people, having a chat over coffee, and finding out what goes on a deeper level, just a little bit, what gets under their skin, what got them into riding, and the fact that it doesn't always have to be this perfect square that we put out on social media. What I'm basically trying to say is that when you see a load of bikes arrive somewhere and everyone's like, wow, that's awesome, seeing a load of girls on bikes arriving somewhere is even better because you don't get to see that. So using that as a platform is like powerful, isn't it? People, and they put up all these amazing things on Instagram and everything, but you only really see that. I want to see some of that other stuff, like the real stuff, and like for a moment I want some of our talks to just turn a little bit like deeper, a little bit more serious, like what really got you into bike and why does it get you through things, do you know what I mean? Because you see a lot of people saying it's gotten through massive times. I've not spoke to one biker that hasn't got a story behind it that says like actually biking really helped me or the community really helped me. So I'd love for our talks just a little bit, just to get a little bit more under the skin, just a bit, not like deep shit. God, I'm going to start losing it and just being naughty in a minute. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word.
Well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird.